Hello, in this video we will show you how to remove and replace the headlights on Opel Tigra. To remove the headlights on this car, you need to remove the front bumper. To remove the front bumper, you need to remove that bolt holding it right there. There might be some bolts here on the arch liner. On the other side is the same bolt up there. Some bolts underneath where the engine undertray is, and some bolts on top of the bumper. Once the bumper is removed, there is 3 bolts holding the headlight. One of them is here on top. The other one, actually 2 of them are on top, and then there is one hidden bolt which is down there. That's the hidden bolt right there that you need to remove in order to remove the headlight. After you remove the 3 bolts, then there is an electrical connector that you need to disconnect, and then you can take out the headlight. The other headlight is exactly the same. These are the electrical connectors that you need to disconnect. And that's the headlight out. The other headlight, you remove it exactly in the same way, 3 bolts and electrical connectors. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.